I need your advice on Jenn Air electric oven troubleshooting.
I understand why, since it is so hard to get service for Jenn Air, despite how often they break down.
Or because of it. You know, supply and demand.
If you have the error code F0, the function key is stuck.
Do you fix that with a screwdriver to pull it back up or WD-40?
You usually have to replace the keypad.
It is part of a clock.
Then you have to replace the whole clock and keypad. The F1 error code of a defective error code has the same solution too.
Glad I do not have either of those error codes.
The F2 error is that the oven temperature is too hot. You may need to replace the relay board or the oven temperature sensor.
Or not run it on self-clean.
Self-cleaning can do that, and broil mode can too. If the unit gives you the F2 error, there's also the chance the thermal fuse blew out, and if so, that has to be replaced along with anything else before the oven will run again.
If running self-cleaning requires replacing fuses and major electrical components, it is less work to scrub the darn thing.
The F3 error means the temperature sensor has to be replaced, and that can come up whether you ran it really hot or not.
At least that's an easy thing to fix, assuming the sensor itself is not covered in grease.
Fan overspeed and underspeed errors are just as likely fixed by replacing the control panel as replacing the fans.
I'd try replacing the fans before I replaced the control panels, simply due to the cost. Then again, the wiring to the fans could be the problem.
The F4 error is for the temperature sensor, and if replacing the sensor doesn't fix it, the wiring is shot.
Wiring is rarely a problem unless the insulation has melted off.
The F5 error is the error for a watchdog and hardware conflict.
It's an oven. It should not be able to have a hardware conflict.
The solution in this case is to replace the clock, which is conflicting with the control panel.
My fridge is so smart, it has to get rebooted sometimes. Would that fix the problem?
No, but you do have to change out hardware, like when a function key shorts out, you have to replace the whole touchpad.
I thought that was for F0.
Let's just say that replacing the hardware is a common solution for Jenn Air malfunctions. Change out parts until it works.